So here I'm going to give you a full tutorial of Top Cashback. Now Top Cashback is an app that I've been using religiously now for quite some time, and I've been getting cashback on my daily purchases that I would purchase anyway. So essentially what I'm getting is I'm getting back free money on stuff that I would buy on a normal day. So if you want to get Top Cashback, you can click on my link down in the description. But essentially how you do this, right, is if we open up the app here, if we scroll down, there is many retailers that we can choose from. So there is online retailers, there is high street retailers, and there's clothing brands, everything that you can pretty much think of, right? So essentially how you use Top Cashback is, let's just say that I wanted to shop at Argos. What I would do is I would click on the Argos option here, and then where it says get up to 10% cashback, I want to click on this. And then as you can see, it takes up to 1 day on average for your purchase to appear in your Top Cashback account. So if you make a purchase and it doesn't appear straight away, don't worry. So what you can do is essentially you need to open up Argos through the Top Cashback app, just as I did then. So click on it through Top Cashback, and then you want to do your shopping as normal. So for example, if I wanted to buy a PS5, I would search for it. I would go to the PS5. This deal looks really good. I'm going to buy this. It's Christmas time, you know, getting a PS5 for the kids or whatever. You can go on here and then you can go through, add to trolley. And then once you go to add to trolley, you can click on continue, just do whatever, add any accessories if you want. And then once we go over to trolley, you can then put this in and you can purchase this as you would normally. But because you've done it through the Top Cashback app, this will then be able to detect that you've made the purchase through the app, and then you will be eligible and then you will receive cashback on this item right here. So for example, if I'm purchasing a PS5, the cashback on this will be quite a lot. So let's just say that it's 10%, you make quite a lot of money back on this purchase. Now you can find the exact amount on the Top Cashback app. So for example, if I go back and go over to Argos, right? So at the moment on Argos for a tech purchase, it is 3%, and you've got other online purchases for 10%. And if you go down, what you will also see is you'll see any available promotions and coupon codes that you can use on Argos, which will be able to save you a little bit of money as well. So another way that we can make money through Top Cashback is if we refer our friends. So if I go to more, right, and then I go to refer and earn. So what you'll see now is if you refer a friend, you will get £25 free cashback as a sign up bonus. And when your friend signs up, they will also get a £20 sign up bonus. And to get this sign up bonus, all they need to do is make one purchase through the Top Cashback app, which will then give them the £20 sign up bonus. So if you're thinking about using Top Cashback, guys, feel free to sign up through my link down in the description, and you will be eligible for a £20 free sign up bonus once you make your first purchase through Top Cashback. And your first purchase doesn't have to be an expensive one. You could find the cheapest item through whatever retailer, and you can just buy the cheapest item, which will then give you the £20 free sign up bonus. So it's just that simple, guys. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I will be sure to answer any questions if I can.